All right, some other slight modifications you got to do. So they're the original coolant lines for the stock twins. And well, this turbo does not get water cooled, but when we put this on, oh, it just seems to ever so slightly rub. All right, so I even tried to inverse. So I took the coupler from here, put it up here to see if that would be better placement. And in fact, it's even worse. So this is the best placement, and that's more so looks like how it should be. So these little guys here, they gotta go. So since it's quick and easy, I'm gonna do something like I did to mine. Get a bolt that's probably just a little oversized, and then JB weld and jam it in there. You can take it off, weld it, make it look pretty, but I mean, keep it simple. Pressed in fittings, and to remove them, well, the opposite of press is push is pull. So we're pulling them out. They're spinning. Wow, smoking. Maybe I should cut it. All right, I'm gonna take it off so I don't break anything else. All right, I figured out the way. I've removed one. I took it off, put it in the vise. All right, then you just twist it, twist and pull. Whew. That was like a freaking arm wrestling match. One other thing, I put these bolts in this upper water neck, and I've let this water, which I'm glad I actually ran water through it to flush it out, but, well, I would have anyway, but I've let this water sit in here for like 5 days, and there is no leak. Hopefully when it's under pressure, there also won't be leaks, but I figured if there was a way, it would have found a way with the couple of days it was sitting in there. So I'd say that this test is a success. There you go. So it's gonna sit on there like that. We got rid of the coolant pipes for the stock twins. So now our intake should fit just fine. So I'll put this back on after I find the one bolt that I can't find. All right, so these are the bolts. Got one. Don't know where the other one is. We'll find it. It'll turn up.